Life is not like a football game. Life is not like a basketball game. Life is not a sport. In sport, if you're losing when the clock stops, you've lost. You failed. When time is up, when the buzzer sounds, you're either a winner or a loser. You can't change the score. Your dream has no clock. You try and try again until you succeed. You decide if a failure is the end of your dream, and you also decide if you keep going. You see, there really isn't such a thing as failure. It's only your choice to quit or keep going. If you keep going, you haven't failed. It's just a prolonged victory.